Hello you guys, welcome back to today's declutter video. Now this was genuinely inspired by me like 5 minutes ago. So as you know, if you've seen the moving vlogs, I have like a lot of makeup and I know that I do not use as much as I can. I mean, come on, honestly, right? So I just got the urge to go ahead and maybe just remove out some makeup products which I know I haven't used a lot, but I know that my friends might use it, or if any of you are makeup artists, if my friends do not take them, I will give it to content creators who I know and who want extra makeup if for creating content, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go now and I'll take you through each of the drawer and I'll see if we can go ahead and reduce any of it, because as you know, like I'm not gonna use like all 200 lipsticks which I have, right? And there are lipsticks which I have literally just kept and not used at all, so we're gonna remove that, keep it for my friends and other people. So the first drawer, I don't know, actually I feel like I like everything in here and I feel like I've used most of these products half may, so it does not make sense to give it to like any one of you guys. So I'm thinking maybe like this one, either of these two I can give, the Aqualogica one, because I do feel like I use this, but again I don't feel like I'm gonna use two of these, and then again like you can literally see how much products I have. So I'm thinking I'll give away this one, so I'm gonna keep it upar as of now, and then others are just I've used half of them, so it does not make sense to give them. The second drawer for mascaras and eye stuff, right? Again I've used literally all of these and I gave away a lot of mascaras and half of them are like over, so I need to like maybe remove a few of them which are like finished. So for example the Too Faced one and the roller lash मैंने पूरा ख़त्म कर दिया है. In kajal again I feel like maybe I can remove like, okay, so this green one I don't use, so I'm gonna keep it out. Again I have one more green, so I don't think I need that. For white I feel like again blacks I need, shimmers I need, browns I need. Okay, that is great. Next up for glue, again I feel like I don't use this often, so I'll keep it over here. If anyone needs it they can take it. With these eyeliners I need to check, right? I'll probably give a swatch to these and I'll see कि if ये मुझे चाहिए भी रहेगा कोई वीडियो के लिए या नहीं, otherwise I'm gonna give it to makeup artists. So that is the drawer done. Let's go to blushes. I feel like this is literally what I use, like, and I'm making a video on this, so I don't think I'm gonna give away any of the blushes or highlighters as of now because it's just so empty. Maybe like in a few months I'll come back to this drawer again. These I use literally every single time. Then I have this. Maybe I can give away something like this. I like this, but this is not my shade, so I'm gonna put it out. Then I have this one. I like this, but again I don't prefer like such क्या बोलते हैं मराठी में बोल रही हूँ मैं, घट्टा घट्टा जो रहता है, like क्रीम कंसिस्टेंसी इतनी पसंद नहीं आती है. I prefer like liquidy or powder. Like my first preference for highlighters is powder. Like this is literally what I use every single day, if not the Rare Beauty one. So I'm gonna put this out. Then we have again a few blushes. These are literally the first blushes I have owned, so I'm gonna keep them. Again very old blushes, I don't want to give it to anyone. Again I love this. These are the ones which I've used quite a lot, so I'm not gonna give these. Then maybe this also I'm gonna keep. I'll see which one I have used very less and that I can maybe give it to someone. Yeah, like this one is a very new one. I haven't literally used it like once, so maybe I'm gonna keep it in the giveaway pile. If anyone wants it they can take it. Next up, let's go to the eyeshadow. This is literally insane. I literally genuinely all I've been using is the Makeup by Mario palette, the K by Katrina, and then my Huda Beauty palette. So I am thinking this is the Friends palette which I have for a while now. I have used this. It is a really good one. Maybe I'm gonna keep it aside and I'll see if anyone wants it. This is again from Morphe. I have used it, to be honest. It is a really good palette, but I don't reach out for it as much, so maybe I'm thinking I'll again give this to someone. See, I've used this. These are really good shades, so maybe I'll keep this aside as well. I cannot give my Huda Beauty, and my James Charles is like my absolute favorite palette, so I've used that literally insanely a lot. In liquids, I feel like this is a newer one. I don't prefer liquid eyeshadows, so I'm gonna keep it out. I cannot, these are like literally my most used palettes. Again, most used ones. What do we see? Okay, what do we have? Used. Okay, this is something which I have used like for one video, so I'm gonna put it out. Then I have this. Okay, again, never touched it, literally got it in PR, never used it. Used, so I don't think I'm gonna give these, but I think that is for the eyeshadows. Wait, oh yeah, I forgot I have this one as well, literally never touched it. I've used this version of the Shea Style Cuffs and Lashes palette, literally break ho gaya, but I absolutely love it, so I'm gonna keep that and give this to some makeup artists. I think it's gonna literally help them. For these lipsticks, I don't know, I think I'm gonna just keep it. For lipsticks, I feel like this drawer I feel like is still fine because that's my most used drawer. Let's start from beneath. Over here, let's just see. So from my lipsticks from these Lakme collection which I've received, I've just used only 2 shades, which is the blush nude and I think this one. So other than that, I think I'm gonna give away this red shade because again I don't use much reds. Next up, from all of these Mamaearth lipsticks, again these are like matte. I don't really currently prefer matte lipsticks, so I'm gonna give it away. I'm just gonna remove a few of them. Also need to check shades of each and every one of them just to see if I will use them. I do use some of the shades in this. I think there's a number 5 which I use and which is quite good. Yeah, this one, the woody one, I've made a video on this as well. So I'll probably wait a minute. I'll just go ahead and swatch these and keep them aside. I thought I'll give you a little bit of a disclaimer now. I know that these products are slightly used by me. Some of them are brand new. I am telling this to my friends, whoever wants these. And also, if you're a content creator, if you are okay with receiving products which have been opened by me a bit before, and if you want to create content using this, you can comment down below and let me know, and I would love to give these to you. I am in no means I want to keep this under shadows. I'm just wanting to say this out loud so that everyone is clear about it. Okay, so these are all the lipsticks which I have kept aside. I literally haven't used any of these shades. I would say like I've used this like once, and then these are the shades. These are the 6 shades which I actively kind of use. They are neutral shades, and these are the shades which like literally got broken while shifting. And then I have these lip liners. Again, not a lip liner person, but I feel like I've used 2 or 3 of these lip liners, so whatever I've not used, I'm gonna keep aside now. Then I literally have kept 3 lip liners for myself. 4 of them are, I'm just gonna keep it, and 2 of them I feel like they've just gotten too old, so I'm gonna throw it away. Now for talking about these lipsticks, again I've used these like literally quite a lot. I have these 2 from Karan Johar, My Glam. Love the packaging and everything, but these are like plumping lipsticks. I do not like plumping lipsticks. I just don't know why. Lip glosses yes, but plumping lipsticks no, so I'm just gonna keep this aside. Again, I'm literally not use this. Let me show you. Like actually the packaging of this is so cool, literally brand new. Next up we have literally foundations. I know it is literally insane. I literally keep giving foundations, but it does not get over. Now I've received this literally this year nude shade. I'm gonna keep it aside. My friend needs it, so I'm just gonna keep it out. And then think from all of these, I feel like everything else is pretty much like something which I need for like review purposes. So I'm just gonna keep it nicely. Again, yesterday one of my friend gifted this to me, and I was like, okay, why is everyone gifting me foundations I literally do not need, right? So I literally have like 5 or 6 foundations in my giveaway drawer, but this is what I have of now. I literally don't know if I can reduce any more of these. Powders. Okay, I am thinking I really love, like this is literally the Fit Me I've been using for years. Khatam nahi ho raha hai. And I received this one in PR. Literally have not used it. I mean, of course I used the shade, but I already am using this one, so I'm waiting for this to get over, which I literally don't feel like is getting over anytime soon, so I'm gonna keep it out. literally someone can use it, right? Because no person needs like 10 freaking powders. Here I have my favorite fronts, K by Katrina. I'm gonna keep it. I feel like I'm just gonna focus on these powders as of now. Again, I gave like so many of these. I have received these in PR. Again, gave these away, so many of them. I think I might just give this one as well. Literally it is brand new. इसका सिर्फ मैंने खोल के मुझे वीडियो लेना था. So I've used the shade. I loved it, but I don't think I need these many powders. It is a great one, but I think it will go to someone better, which they will use, right? I'm on the fence about this. I really loved this, so I'm thinking to keep it, but I hope I use it. Fingers crossed. Let's talk about the bronzer situation. Again, I love bronzers. I don't use much because I already have a chiseled face, and I feel like contour, मतलब hardcore contour तो मैं नहीं करती हूँ. So I'm thinking I'll give away this one. It is a really good one. So again, I've used this just a few times, so some of my friends might like it, so take it. Then I'm probably gonna keep these 3 bronzers. I've loved it. I really don't know about my take on the Putty bronzer. I haven't tried it. Maybe I'll try it out and see on a video. For highlighters, I don't know. I mean, oh, and this is a powder which I have from MAC, which is not my shade. जो brand ने gift किया. I think my mom will love this, so I'm probably gonna keep it over here so she can use it. From these 2 shades, I don't know. I mean, I really love these two, so I'm thinking I'll just go ahead and keep it as of now. I'll probably think about it like in some time. This again I loved, so I'm gonna wait or for a few months, see how much I'm getting a use out of it. Otherwise, you know, I'll think about giving it to my sister or someone. Oh my god, for the setting sprays, I don't know. I don't know. Let's see at the back, what do we have? Elf, I use it. Sugar, I think I created a video to like talk bad about this because I literally don't like it. This is literally the worst setting spray, so I'm probably gonna throw this away. Then okay, this is good. I'm gonna give this away because I finished one of this. I really liked it, but I literally like itne sare setting sprays hai that I don't know, like, you know, I don't know. I mean, yes, I can finish setting sprays, but I'm gonna give this away to some of my friend. Okay, then I've used all of these. This is half, this is half, this I've used, this is almost finished. I don't like this. I probably need to throw this out, so I'll remove it because I made a video on it. I just kept it for that purposes. Then for the benefit, I use the Sara Pack X Sara literally every single day. Literally khatam nahi ho raha hai, dekh lo. Then I have the Revolution. I use this. I use the Infallible one. I use the CT. Okay, so I don't feel like I have any other ones. Okay, this is also nice. I use the Faces one. So I think probably I'm gonna close it off at this. Let me show you the makeup that I have gathered. मैंने सब चटाई पे बिछा के रख दिया है. So I have these lipsticks, then I have this highlighters, eyeshadow palettes, bronzers, powders, foundation, setting spray. Wow, I forgot what is that called. Again, few more stuff. So this is literally what I've decluttered as of now, which is literally it is not expired. It is working well, and you know, some of my friends can like it. So that is basically what I've created right now. So that was kind of like my declutter video for you guys. Let me know, what do you think about it? If I should do more of these. I literally have like an entire stuff for giveaways which I keep on doing on my Instagram, so do not worry, you're gonna get so much more. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.